be messy. Allow yourself to be messy. Don't worry if things look pretty. If you're going to ruin this book, you can't ruin it. Just like you can't ruin your walk with Christ. Welcome to A Kind and Gentle Word. I'm Jordan, and I am way too excited today because I've done it. I have created my own prayer journal. Yes, I did it. Oh my gosh. I'm way too excited. I have zero chill about this whatsoever because I feel so confident and so blessed and grateful that I get to help people in their walk with Christ, which I feel like I was already doing with this podcast, with this YouTube channel, but this is a whole new way. A while back, I made a video about how to start having quiet time with God, and I feel like it was pretty good. But I have a friend who regularly writes in prayer journals. That was never something I was comfortable with or understood, because when I open a notebook and it's beautiful on the cover, and all those blank line pages are just staring right back at me, and my whole brain just goes, and then I have terrible handwriting, so I don't want to mess up the pages, and the cover is so nice that I feel like I'm going to mess up the book, and like it's not going to be pretty and wonderful. But here's the thing. Jesus is in your life to embrace your chaos and love you anyways. So whatever you write in that prayer journal, not only is it okay, it's wonderful. It's beautiful. So instead of creating a prayer journal with just blank lined pages, I actually created one that is a little more of a guided prayer journal. Throne of Grace, a guided prayer journal. Throne of Grace is actually from a verse in Hebrews 4:16. Let us then with confidence draw near to the throne of grace, that we may receive mercy and find grace to help in time of need. That is such a powerful verse, the throne of grace. All my chaos just thrown all over the page of journals, and even just the chaos of my mind before I even pick up a pen. God is there, ready, with grace, so that I may receive mercy in my time of need. Oh, thank you, Jesus. So this guided prayer journal is in fact that. It's guided. Every day starts out with a verse that you pray through, and it's little boxes to fill in. So the first thing that happens is a moment of thankfulness. Because for me, it's really easy to just start by thanking God for something, even if that is really something simple, like thank you for my dog. I know that might sound silly for some, but I am thankful for my dog. And even though God knows that, it's an easy way for me to start speaking and kind of start to be gentle on myself about how all my thoughts just want to spill forth. The next box is a prayer for me. This is where you can pray for things that are going on in your life, things about yourself. And that might seem a little bit selfish to some to put yourself first in the prayer, but I find if I can get myself out of the way, then all of a sudden I start to think about others. And that's why the next box is a prayer for someone else. You can pray for a lot of someones, maybe just one person, and you don't have to be real big with it. You don't have to decide, I'm going to pray for the world peace, end world hunger. Just pray for someone that you know who needs something. And I think that as you continue to move forward each day, God is going to place someone, or maybe quite a few someones, on your heart to pray for. The last box is actually really special. Who is God to me today? And I want you to be really honest in this box. I want you to just spill forth everything that is in your heart. Do you love God today? Are you angry with him? Are you feeling hurt by something that maybe you feel like God caused in your life? Spill it out. He wants you to talk to him. I think of it like this. When my best friend and I are in some kind of argument, it doesn't matter what the argument is about, what happened, who did what, I still want to be able to fix things with them. And that's right here where you can talk things out with your greatest best friend in the entire universe, God, the creator of our universe. So be honest in this box, fill it in with however you want. Your relationship with Christ is for you and you alone. This journal is not for anyone else to experience. It's for your heart, your eyes, and God's ears. After each day, I also included an entire page for overflow. I have really big handwriting, and I usually can't fit everything I want to into a box that's provided for me. So this is where you get to continue to just spill forth your entire heart all over that page. And here's the thing I want to keep reminding you: be messy. Allow yourself to be messy. Don't worry if things look pretty. If you're going to ruin this book, you can't ruin it. Just like you can't ruin your walk with Christ. He's there to keep picking us up every single moment. I sincerely hope that this prayer journal helps at least one person in the world with their walk with Christ. And even if I just help one person, that to me is more than enough. All right, remember to be kind to others and gentle with yourself, for we are all a work in progress, no matter how many prayer journals you filled out. I hope you have a wonderful day.